Hello, hello.
Hello.
Is my voice clear?
Yes.
Open your camera. Hello. Write down in top of the your note. Write down the date and time, class starting time.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, I'm writing down. Okay.
Okay. In last class we have discussed about cell now.
Yes.
Then what do you mean by cell?
Cell is the basic structural unit of life.
Okay. Cell is the
Basic structural unit of life.
basic structural unit of life. What is the meaning of basic structural unit?
Like simple structure like a
Means
building.
means for our body is make up of our body is made up of each our body is made up of a smallest thing called a cell. Like a building is made up of a brick, the smallest thing brick,
Yes.
and the cell. Due to this cell, we are getting one structure. Our body is getting one structure.
Mm.
So that's why it is called basic structural unit of a life. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have complete different cell or different cell. Oh, sorry. Before going to cell organelles, we have discussed about types of cell. Types of cell. Did you remember how many types of cell are there?
Two.
Two. On the basis of a number of a cell. On the basis of a number of a cell, we have two organism. We have two type of organism. We have
Mm.
two type of organism. Tell me, what are they?
Unicellular organism and multicellular organism.
That's called unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Okay, what do you mean by unicellular organism?
Unicellular organisms are organisms that have only one cell.
Okay, the organism that is made up of only one cell. Its whole body is made up of only one cell. Can I give some example?
Amoeba.
Amoeba is one example of a unicellular organism. Then what do you mean by multicellular organism?
More than one cell in an
Uh,
organism.
the organism which is made up of which is made up of Multiple cell. Multiple cell. Give one example of a multicellular organism.
Human body.
Human beings. Okay. Then do you know any other difference between unicellular organism and a multicellular organism? One thing is its body is made up of a single cell, its body is made up of multiple cell. Its example is amoeba, its example is human beings. Do you know any other difference?
Unicellular organisms.
Yeah. Hmm.
Um,
In unicellular organism, all the function is performed by a single cell.
yes.
In a unicellular organism, all the function performed by a single cell. But in multicellular organism, function are divided by different cell. Different function performed by different cell. Different
Function.
function performed by
Different cell.
different cell. Tell me. To 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 live a cell performs certain activity na, certain function na.
Hmm.
It should eat food. Suppose it is amoeba. Okay.
Okay.
Amoeba is a organism na.
Yes.
Every organism eat food na for sustain their life.
Yes.
Eh, this amoeba should eat food na.
Yes.
Amoeba should perform digestion na.
Yes.
Amoeba should perform respiration na.
Yes.
Amoeba should perform excretion na. These are the other life, different life processes. Okay. What is the meaning of life process? Important function performed by the cell to sustain the life. Okay. I know it is a single cellular organism, single cell, but it should perform all the uh, necessary function na.
Hmm.
But in unicellular organism, all the function is performed by the single cell. But if you consider multicellular organism like human being, we have different organ to perform different organ system to perform different function. Like for nutrition, for taking food, we have different organ system. Okay.
Yes.
For respiration, we have different organ. For excretion, we have different organ. For for control the all function, we have different system. So in single cellular organism, all the function is performed by single cell. But yeah, if you consider multicellular organism, we have different organ system. Look, here I am telling cell. Here I am telling organ system. What is the difference between cell and organ system? Just wait. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Then let's start cell organization. That means leave the unicellular organism because it has only one cell. There is no organization. What is the meaning of organization?
Organisms are living things.
No, no. What do you mean? What do you mean by organization? Cell means I know basic structural unit of life. What is the meaning of organization? That means the cell are organizing means gathering.
Okay.
In single cell, there is no cell organization because it is made up of only single cell. Hey, suppose I am telling you gather. I'm going inside your room, inside your class. I'm telling gather the student, organize the student. That means how?
Sir, 1 second. Let me get water.
Hello.
Okay, yes, continue.
Open your camera.
Yeah.
Look.
Hmm.
Then what is the meaning of organization? For organizing something, we need more than one thing, na?
Yes.
Suppose you have 10 number of book. I, I am telling you organize the book. That means you have to group them.
Yes.
Same thing in multicellular organism. The single cellular organism only, unicellular organism having only one cell, na? So there is impossible to organize the cell because if one thing is there, how you organize them? But in multicellular organism,
Organism.
cells are organized together. Cells are gathering together. Cells are
Yeah.
gathering together. Why cells are gathering? To perform specific function. To perform specific
Function.
function. Think. Suppose there is a house and one maid in this house. So all the work is done by this one servant.
Hmm.
But suppose 3 to 4 servants are there inside the room. So different servant perform different function. Suppose
Yes.
someone is cooking the food, someone is cleaning the food, someone is uh, cleaning the cloth, someone is cleaning the room. Okay, like same thing in multicellular organism, different cells, different cells are gathered together, gather
Together.
together to perform. Remember, in multicellular organism, cells are gathering together, cells are combining together to performing specific function. To performing specific function. This is called cell organization. This is called cell organization. Do you understand?
Yes.
Because if we assign specific function to specific group of a cell, we will get high possibility of work, high efficiency of work. What is the meaning of this? Suppose you are organizing a, a cricket match in your school. Okay, if you divide the work, whatever the work for organizing the cricket tournament, if we differentiate the work among 4 groups, then it is good, na?
Yes.
Less amount of burden and a high work efficiency.
Hmm.
Okay, that's why cells are gathering together. This is called cell organization. Cell organization. Do you understand?
Yes.
Here you look. It is the structure of a cell. Okay, tell me. This is called what?
That is a nucleus in
No, no,
nucleus.
no, 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 no. Look this. This is the plasma. Plasma membrane.
Hmm.
Plasma membrane. This is what?
That is nucleus.
That is nucleus. And it is the central control of the cell. Whatever the work is happening inside the cell, that is controlled by nucleus. Okay?
Hmm.
And this is called the cytoplasm.
Side of
The liquid substance found inside the cell is called the cytoplasm.
well,
This is called the endo
uh,
endoplasmic reticulum.
endoplasmic reticulum.
It is a cell organelle. It has two parts now. How many parts?
Two parts.
Can you explain the two parts? What are the name of two parts? One is rough endoplasmic reticulum.
One is
One
smooth.
smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome are there na, to form protein.
Yes.
The smooth endoplasmic reticulum produce fat,
Cell.
fat or lipid, fat and a lipid,
Yeah.
and this is necessary for this protein, fat, and lipid are necessary for creating cell membrane or
Cell.
plasma membrane. We have discussed all these things now.
Yes.
Then look, here one image is giving in which look cells are gathering together. Look, it is cell number 1, cell number 2, cell number 3, cell number 4, cell number 5, cell number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, in this image, 10 cells are combining together. Look now,
Hmm.
why they combining? To perform specific function. To perform specific function.
Function.
This is called tissue. Remember, in multicellular organism, there are four. Look, there are here. You just wait. Look, organism like a human being can be organized into four components. How many components?
Four component.
Small. The smallest one is cell. The smallest one is
Shell.
okay. Then cells are combining together. Cells are gathering together to perform specific function. Is called a tissue. It's called a
Tissue.
then again same type tissues are combining together. Tissues are combining together to form organ. To form
Organ.
then organ are combining together to perform specific function.
Organ.
Specific function called organ system.
Hmm.
Look, in in a multicellular organism, four type of organization is there. How many type of organization?
Four.
The smallest organization is cell.
The cell.
The largest organization is organ system. Tell me
Organ system.
why they organize? Why cells are organized to each other to form tissue to organ system? Why?
So our body can work.
To perform specific function. To perform
Specific function.
specific function efficiently. Efficiently.
Hmm.
Okay. Then in you should remember in human beings cells four type of a cell organization are found. Okay.
Okay.
Then tell me group of cell is called look first is cell. Then group of a cell is called
Or
hmm,
tissues.
tissues. Just wait, I will explain each and everything. Then group of tissue is called
A part of the organs.
organ.
Okay. Organs.
Group of organs is called
Cycle system.
Organ system.
Organ system.
This is the organization in multiple organism in multicellular organism having to perform specific work efficiently. Okay,
Okay.
then look. The human body is made up of 11 organ system. How many organ system? Look the last things. That means in human beings, cells are grouping together to form tissue.
Yes.
Tissues are grouping to each other to form organs.
Yes.
Organs are grouping together to form organ system.
Yes.
Then total how many organ system found in human body?
5.
Hmm? Look how many?
5.
It is 5. I am circling na. How many?
3.
Arre look na. My screen is visible to you na.
Yes.
So how many organ system?
4. Because we will have the
That is the four
cell.
type. Listen. That is the four type of organization. I am not asking the organization. I am asking about how many organ system are found inside human beings.
Oh.
Try to
Like
understand.
that multiple. Like 11
Yes,
something.
11. How many organ system are found inside human beings?
Around
11.
11.
Around 11. Wow. Then what is the meaning of organ system?
Organ systems are the cycle of how the organ system goes.
Simplify the definition. We have four type of organization. The smallest is cell. Cell combine together to form tissue. Group of a cell is called tissue. Group of a tissue is called organs. Group of organ is called organ system. So why are you confusing?
Hmm.
Then tell me what do you mean by organ system? Group of
Organ system are made up of living things.
group of organ. What telling such a irritating definition?
Just organ systems. They
Yes,
are
group of organ.
they are groups. The groups of
Organ.
organs on a
The
cycle.
loop na organ system. System means
Cycle.
group. System means group. Organ. Group of organ.
Can I say group of cycle?
No, group of organ.
Okay.
Then how many organ system found in human body?
11.
Okay. Then tell me why these organs are grouping together?
So our body can work.
Same definition you are biting and telling. To perform specific function.
Yeah.
To perform specific function efficiently.
Hmm.
First to tell me how many types of organization found in a human body? How many types of organization found in human body? Four. How many? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hmm. How many types of organization found in human body? Four.
11.
Again,
11, no?
I'm telling you organization.
Oh, that
Two
is that. Okay.
organization and one is organ system. How many types of organization found in human body?
4.
What are they?
They are first cell, then tissue, then organ, and then the groups of system.
Group of organ called organ system.
Group of organ.
Hmm. Then total in human body, how many types of organ system is found? 11.
11. Huh. Yeah.
Some of the example is circulatory system.
Hmm. The, wait. So if there are, but what if there is like system that don't like? For example, there is nervous system, digestive system, and everything. But what about systems that are like non-seeable, like in cells, the systems in cell?
Look, like you are telling to cell, group of cell is called tissue. To give in human beings, what are the example of tissue?
Like the system inside that's working in cell, like for digestive system we eat, then it goes in esophagus and stomach and everything. But like is there like a cycle in cell that goes around?
I don't understand your question. Just wait. After explaining, if you have doubt, ask me. The total 11 organ system is found inside human body. One of the example is circulatory system.
Huh.
Circulatory circulatory system. Then digestive system,
Yes.
muscular system,
Hmm.
nervous system,
Yes.
etc. Excretive system are there, a reproductive system are there. So in your note only four system is given. Okay. First
Hmm.
try to say what is the meaning of organ system, group of organ na?
Yes.
Okay. Why they are grouping? To perform specific function na?
Yes.
Okay. Just look, I am explaining only one of the organ system, how it works. Look,
But I was asking if there is a system like a cycle inside cell.
what is cycle inside the cell? I don't understand what the term cycle. Where the word term cycle is?
Like the system that goes in the cell, how the cell moves around the body. Is there a system for that?
Ah, that is called circulatory system, not cell moving. The
But
thing
circulatory system is about heart. Now I'm asking specifically what goes like inside the cell.
inside the cell, we complete in the last chapter, na? What is happening inside the cell? The nucleus is
So
doing what?
is there a name for that, like a whole system, not just like nucleus and everything?
No. Here the listen, na, group of a cell. Here we don't learn about cell. We are learning about group of a cell. That may be tissue, that may be organ, that may be organ system.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
then look. Here one, I am explaining one of the organ system. How organ system work. Look,
Hmm.
two things always remember about organ system. One, group of organ. Organ system means group of organ. Group of organ.
Organ.
And the group of why they are grouping? For performing specific function. For performing
Specific function.
specific function. Then look, one of the example of a organ system is a digestive system. What?
Digestive system.
Digestive system. Then sir, tell me what are the system means group of organ, na?
Hmm.
Then tell me what are the organ in digestive system. Then look your figure. First mouth, first,
Yes. Now,
after mouth,
I don't know, teeth.
wait, I am zooming the figure. Now it is visible now?
Oh, yeah, yeah, it's okay.
Look, with mouth, after mouth, esophagus, every epiglottis, okay. After epiglottis, esophagus, then liver, stomach, pancreas, gallbladder, then it is small intestine, it is large intestine, rectum, anus. Look how many organs are there. This is the organ system, na? What do you mean by organ system? Group of organ, na?
Hmm.
The one of the example of organ system is
Group of organ. Digestive system.
digestive system. So digestive system means it is forming by the help of some organ. So what are the organ? It is starting from mouth. It is starting from mouth end at anus. End at
And
anus. Some important organ are mouth, esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, then small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Okay.
hmm.
If someone asks you, give one example to give an example of organ system, you should give digestive system. You should give,
Digestive system.
and then immediately he can ask the question, what do you mean by system? Group of organ. Then tell me in digestive system some name of the some organ, mouth, esophagus,
Esophagus. Stomach.
stomach,
Liver.
no stomach,
Then,
small intestine, large intestine, anus.
yeah.
Then the question is, what is the work of digestive system? Because groups of organ are performing one specific function, na?
Hmm.
Then what is the specific function of a digestive system? It is simplify food. It is
Simplify food.
simplify,
Break down food.
simplify or break down food to get energy. To get
Hmm.
energy. Are you understand? Whatever the food we eat, that is not our body is not able to use this food directly. Okay?
Hmm. Yeah, okay.
This food is in compound form, complex form. This food is in complex form. So this food should converted into simple. And this is the process how our food convert into simple. Okay.
Hmm.
Now
Okay.
now you have knowledge about organ system now.
Yes.
Okay. So there is another organ system is there called circulatory. Called
Circulatory system.
okay. What is the meaning of circulatory? Circulation, transportation from one part of body to another part of body. Okay.
Yeah.
In circulatory system means group of organ, na?
Yes.
In circulatory system, there is heart is the main organ. Heart is the main organ. Then blood. Then blood vessels. The important part. Look, heart. Okay, blood and blood vessel. Look, suppose look in our lungs, oxygen is available. In our lungs, oxygen is
Available.
available. This oxygen should be carried from lungs to different part of body, na?
Yes.
Because every part require oxygen.
Yes.
The digested food is available in small intestine. Where
Small intestine.
this simple food should be carried to each part of cell. Na?
Yes.
Who should carry? Suppose from your home to market, the things are available in market. You should carry these things should carry from market to your house.
Yes.
Who should carry? Who is carry all these things? You or your mother or your any cousins. Okay.
Yeah.
Like this inside our body, who is carrying important substance like oxygen, mm, simple food from one place, one part of body to another part of body, this circulatory system. Who is responsible?
Circulatory system.
Circulatory system. Do you understand?
Yes.
Then the third thing. You understand? Circulatory system and digestive system. Then the second one is muscular system.
Okay.
Muscular system.
Hmm.
Total how many system are found inside our human body?
11.
11. Among 11, some of are given. One is circulatory system, second is digestive system, third is muscular system, fourth is nervous system, and many more are there. You should
Hmm.
remember these four.
Okay.
What is the work of circulatory system?
It circulates blood around body.
No, no, it carry important substance like oxygen and food from one part of the body to another part of body.
Okay.
This function. What is the function of a digestive system?
For digestive system, it simplifies food, breaks down food
Break down
for
the food
energy.
to get energy. Then what is the work of a muscular system? Muscular system work is it allows movement. It allows
Moment.
movement. It maintain our posture. Maintain posture. Number one, how many function muscular system perform? Number one, movement. Number two, maintain posture. Number three, generate heat. These three things are performed by whom? Muscular system. Whom?
Muscular system.
By how? Number one, okay, I know it perform movement, it maintain our post, generate heats. Look, we have three types of muscles. One is skeletal muscle. One is skeletal muscle attached to your bone in your hand. Look, in your hand below the shoulder. Okay, the muscular part is called skeletal muscle. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
then number two, inside the heart, one muscular system is there called cardiac muscle. Called cardiac muscle.
Okay.
And number three, different organs. Walls of our internal organs like kidney, liver. Look, number one, what is the work? Movement. Okay, think how you movement, how you work, how you move your hand. Think
Uh,
when you are moving,
because of the bones.
because only bones is responsible.
No, a lot of things.
Look, when you are holding your hand, holding your hand,
Uh,
or you free your hand, there is one muscle attached to your bone. That is
mm,
below the shoulder, and this is your total hand from shoulder to your finger.
mm,
Here is elbow, here is Look, this part from shoulder to elbow. Inside this, one muscle is there. That is help to movement. This muscle is called smooth muscle. Smooth
Smooth muscle.
muscle. That helps in a movement. That helps in a movement. How it helps in movement? By contraction and relaxation. By contraction and relaxation. What,
Contraction.
what is the meaning of contraction and relaxation? Look, when you fold your hand, when you fold your hand, the muscle is contracting. Contracting means gathering. Okay. When you close your hands, when you close your hands, at that time, अब जब ये हाथ को ऐसे पीछे लाओगे तो क्या हो रहा है? आपके मसल कंट्रैक्ट मीन्स गैदर हो रहा है और आप जब हाथ को ऐसे खोल रहे हो तो वो रिलैक्स हो रहा है. ओके,
Okay.
दिस इज द वर्क ऑफ अ मस्कुलर सिस्टम. इट हेल्प्स इन मूवमेंट. मेंटेन पोस्चर. आपके बॉडी मान लो आप सो रहे हो तो कैसे सो रहे हो? सिर्फ बोन्स नहीं, आपको बहुत सारे मसल भी हेल्प कर रहे हैं. अब जब वर्क कर रहे हो तब भी ये मसल आपको हेल्प कर रहे हैं. ओके.
Okay.
देन द लास्ट वन इज नर्वस सिस्टम. नर्वस सिस्टम का काम क्या है? बॉडी के अंदर मैसेज को कैरी करना. मैसेज को कैरी करना. मैसेज क्या है?
Messages to your brain.
जो एक्सटर्नल हाँ,
Actions.
जो एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट में चेंज हो रहा है वो चेंज को कैरी करके ब्रेन तक वो सिग्नल भेजना. ओके. और ब्रेन के पास से रिस्पॉन्स को कलेक्ट करना. दैट इज डन बाय नर्वस सिस्टम. और आपके ओके. So total 11 organ system are found. Some of the important organ system are circulatory system, digestive system, muscular system, and nervous system. Circulatory system is transport important from one part to another part of body. Digestive system, it helps in break down the food. Muscular system, it maintain our body. It helps in movement. Or the nervous system, it carry the messages. Okay. Then look, each system is composed of a variety of organ, tissue, and cell. Yes, we know it because the smallest is cell. Group of cell is called tissue. Group of cell is called tissue. Group of tissue is called organ, and group of organ is called organ system. Na?
Yes.
So every organ system contain either group of organ or group of organ or tissue. Okay, or cell. Scientists estimate that there are around 30 trillion cells. How many cells?
30 trillion cells.
30 trillion cells in our body. Then tell me 1 trillion how much? Remember, 1 trillion equal to 1 lakh crore. 1 lakh crore. That means total how many zero? Look, how many zero in crore? 1, 2,
7.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many zeros in lakh?
6.
5. Total 12 zero are there. Means our body have 30 trillion cell, means 30 lakh crore of cell. Okay.
Okay.
Think, amoeba has only one cell, but our body has 30 lakh crore cell.
Okay.
Then millions of these cells are created and destroyed every day. Every day millions of cells are creating or destroying inside our body. Okay.
Okay.
Organisms like humans can be organized into 4 components. We have already completed this now. The smallest component is cell, then the largest component is organ system. The smallest is cell and largest is organ
The organ system.
system. Cells are the smallest functional and structural unit of a living organism. Okay. It is
Yes.
this line we have already completed in the last chapter. The cell is the smallest. Functional means whatever the function is performed inside our body, that is actually inside the cell. Okay?
Okay.
And structural means it provides structure to our body.
Okay.
A group of cells that join together to solve a similar function are called tissue. A group of, suppose it is cell number 1, it is cell number 2, it is cell number 3, it is cell number 4, it is cell number 5, it is cell number 6. Because we have lakh crore of cell, na? So
Hmm.
this group of cell gathering together. Why they gather? To perform similar function. To perform
Similar
similar
function.
function. For example, inside our brain is made up of nerve cell. Which cell?
Nervous system.
Nerve cell. That means this
What cell?
nerve cell
Okay.
means the similar function. The cell that are available inside our brain perform similar function. Similar function means
Function.
uh, carry the message, processing message, giving output to the message, giving response to the message. This is the work of a nerve cell. Okay?
Okay.
The group of cell join together to solve a similar function. What are the function? Or why they group together? To perform similar function. To perform
Similar function.
are called tissue. Are called tissue.
Tissues.
Then our organ is a group of tissue that perform a function. I think now, what is the work of your heart?
To circulate blood or to
Uh,
give,
to to
give
pump no to pump the to pump the blood, na? To pump the
to pump
blood.
the blood.
Whatever the tissue available, because cell, then from cell tissue, then tissue organ. So why tissues are grouping together?
To form
Say
organ.
to form the organ to perform the specific function.
Hmm.
Okay, then what is the function of a heart? To pump the blood.
To, yeah.
Then lastly, a collection of organ like mouth, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine, stomach, they all are organ, but they are combining together. Why they are combining together? To perform specific function. Okay,
Okay.
read this one. Have you it out?
Cell organism. The human body is made up of 11 oxygen organ system including the circulatory system, digestive system, muscular system, and the nervous system. Each system is composed of a variety organs, tissues, and cells. Scientists estimate that there are around 30 trillion cells in our body. Millions of millions of these cells are created and destroyed every day. Organisms like human can be organized into four components. The smallest component is individual cell and the largest component is oxygen system,
Hmm? Organ system.
organ system,
Look this look this diagram. It is cell. It is.
cell,
Then look, it is group of cell called tissue.
tissue.
Then look how many cells are there. Group of cell. Group of cell.
Yes,
And then it is organ.
organ.
Organ means group of tissue. This is group of cell. Look how many organ are there. It is called organ system. It is called organ system.
System, organ.
group of organ.
Yeah.
Then read the next line.
Cells are the smallest function and the structural unit of a living organism. A group of cells that join together to serve a similar function are called tissues. An organ in an organ is a group of tissues that performs a function.
Hmm.
Lastly, a collection of organs is called an organ system.
Clear? No. Do you have any doubt?
Print out.
Okay.
Swara beta, can you tell me what did you understand?
Cell cell organization is like when there is a cell which all combines
स्वरा,
together
हिंदी
something.
मध्ये शॉर्ट मध्ये सांग.
Mhm.
आपकी
I can
भाषा में बताओ.
explain better in English.
You can explain better in English. Okay, tell me.
And then so basically cell organization is when there are cells
No, can you
combined
just, sir,
together
Yes.
can you stop sharing, please? Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Okay. Now.
or combine together which turn then make which makes a tissue, and then the tissues combine together makes an organ. Those little organs like lungs, um, liver, pancreas, stomach, and then come all together that makes a group of organisms. So the group of systems which is, yeah.
Yeah, what? Yeah.
That's it.
Organs
Number five.
together makes the system
Organ
and
system.
cells together makes a body. So
Yes.
सेल से क्या बन जाता है? टिश्यू, टिश्यू से बनते हैं organ, organ से बन जाती है system. So let me
Systems.
tell you. So how many types of cells we have, Swara?
We have two types of cells.
No. Two types. Okay, what are those two types, Swara?
Unicellular and
That is
multicellular.
the organism
Okay.
type
In your
or
body, how many types of cells we have? You look at your skin and you look at your blood. Is it different color?
Yes.
It is the same part of the body, right?
Yes.
Okay. Look at your cheek or your tongue. Do you think it's the same cell?
No.
No. So there are four types of cells in your body. Okay,
Eh,
unicellular and multicellular. These are two different kinds of organisms. Organisms. So one cell, only one cell, any an organism can have only one cell and he can function all the activities.
hmm.
Multicellular, like plants. Is plant multicellular or unicellular, Swara?
Multicellular.
Can there be a unicellular plant also?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm,
Are you
yeah.
sure?
Like
Are you
like a
sure?
rare plant it can have because it. No.
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 Yeah. No,
No.
I'm not
No. No.
sure.
No.
Okay, you have three options: yes, no, or I'm not sure, or I don't know.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Wait.
They can be unicellular
They can be unicellular. Why?
because they it was just photosynthesis part. They don't make their own cells. They take their from others.
So the question is not of photosynthesis. Question is, can a plant be unicellular? Okay. How would you define any cell is plant or is animal? What is that organelle which will determine or which is the identifier that will represent, oh, this is the presence of this organelle, that means it's a plant cell. Only plant cell has that.
So only animal cells have lysosomes and a
I'm
vacuole.
asking about plant cell, you're telling me about the animal cell.
But that is the difference. No, you ask for the difference. And then for plant cells, they're more rectangular shaped. The cells and they use photosynthesis, and animal cells don't use photosynthesis. They produce and make
Who
their
does the
own cells.
photosynthesis in the cell?
The plants.
Okay, plants is the it's the whole organism. Okay, plants, it is the whole body. In the body, when you are breathing, who does the breathing?
The nose.
Yes, right? Who does the eating?
Mouth.
Mouth. Who does the seeing part?
Eyes.
Eyes, right? So similarly, in the plant cell, who does the photosynthesis?
The leaves. No,
Array,
the whole.
array.
Yeah, the whole.
Have you ever heard the name chlorophyll?
That
But
day,
that is
ma'am,
everywhere
just
in
a minute,
the.
ma'am, just that day we are learning of the difference between plant and animal cell.
Yeah, I told her everything.
The one
You
important,
didn't tell the main difference, Swara.
the main
Chlorophyll is the
difference is
only organelle in plant cell which is responsible for photosynthesis.
then
I
plant cell have,
wrote that on my test.
listen, plant cell having one cell organelle called cell wall, na? That is absent in the animal cell, na?
स्वरा, जैसे हमारे बॉडी में पार्ट्स होते हैं, जैसे हर एक पार्ट का अपना एक फंक्शन होता है, उसी तरह से सेल के अंदर एक ऑर्गेनेल है. Those are the parts of that cell. Okay, beta? And those parts have, every part have different functions. Plant and animal, the major difference in the plant and animal cell is chlorophyll. Because of the chlorophyll pigment, the chlorophyll pigment, they are in different colors. Some chlorophyll pigment can be yellow color, some can be, that's why you see yellow color plant, yellow color leaves. Have you seen yellow color plants? We see the pictures, right? Like yellow color leaves, because they have yellow color pigment in their cell. There are green, mostly there are green color. That's why, and that chlorophyll pigment is responsible for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means breaking down. Photo means light. So they break down the light and to form the energy. And where the light comes from? Light comes from sun.
Yes.
Okay. Now coming back to your topic, unicellular. Can plant be unicellular? Yes. Plant can be unicellular, like algae. पानी के अंदर जो हम हरा हरा वो देखते हैं ना, ऊपर पानी के ऊपर जो हरा हरा गंदगी हम बोलते हैं कि अरे अलगी. डू यू नो व्हाट इज अलगी?
I forgot.
हा?
I forgot.
अरे शेवाळ, आपण ज्याला शेवाळ म्हणतो, ज्याच्यावर आपलं पाय
Seaweed.
घसरून पडतो.
Seaweed.
Seaweed, it is in the sea, right? That's why we call it seaweed, but something like that. अलगी, इट इज लाइक समथिंग लाइक जो हरा रंग का पाणी, जब कोई भी स्टॅग्नंट वॉटर के ऊपर जो आता है ना, त्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण शेवाळ म्हणतो, जे हिरवं हिरवं पाणी असते त्याला. And that could be unicellular. Yes, it can be unicellular because it does process the photosynthesis. आता आपली बॉडी कशी बनली आहे? हाताचं एक बोट असते, 5 बोट बनला की हाथ तैयार होतो. पांचों उंगलियां जब जम कर जाती है तब क्या होता है? एक हाथ तैयार होता है. Only wrist, only palm, right? Similarly, all these cells, when they become, when we, all the cells, when it's a group of cells, it becomes a tissue. क्या हुआ?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why are you disappeared?
No,
Okay. Tell me the whole sequence now.
So basically, it's a cell, and then after it gets together, turns into a tissue. Then that tissue makes an organ, and organs makes the group of system, and that makes the whole body, the structure of the body. The difference between animal cell and plant cells is that plant cells have chlorophyll, which can make photosynthesis and which can provide them energy, but for animal cells they don't have chlorophyll, and they produce and make their own cells.
Yes, very good. Now you understood. That is how the answer should be. Very good, beta. Okay. सिर्फ पढ़ना मतलब रीड करना नहीं होता बच्चा. You have to understand.
Then what is the other difference between plant cell and animal cell? Plant cell have cell wall. which is absent in animal cell. That is the major difference.
Cell wall.
Yes, the extra covering which is absent in a animal cell. Now did this definition?
See, these are the 4 types of cells, Swara. Nervous tissue. Nervous tissue means brain cells, muscle tissue, connective tissue, and epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue forms the skin. There are 4 types. You need to
What?
know this is by heart, beta.
What is this?
Four types of tissue. Look, nervous tissue, muscle tissue, connective tissue, epithelial tissue. First, what is the meaning of tissue? Group of cell. Why cells are grouping together? To perform a specific function. To perform a specific function. Okay? Read this definition.
Okay. Tissues are groups of cells that have a similar structure and that function together.
Okay, this group of cell having similar in structure. Okay? Suppose nervous tissue. Nervous tissue have group of a cell. Group of cell that is called neuron. That called neuron. Okay. Nervous tissue is made up of a group of cell. The group of cell is called a neuron. These neuron have similar in structure. The structure of a neuron cell is similar. Okay. Because so why they are grouping together to perform specific function. Okay. What is the function? Carry the message. Carrying the message.
For nervous system.
Then read this line.
Okay. All the organs in the human body are made of combination tissues. Tissues are groups of cells that have a similar structure and that function together. The 4 types of tissues in the human body are shown below.
How many types of tissue are found in the human body?
4.
What are they? What are they?
Nervous system, muscle
Nerve-
tissue,
Nervous tissue, not system.
nervous tissue, muscle tissue, connective system, epithelial system.
Then inside nervous tissue, how many types of
You
cells?
have to write this down, Swara, no matter how you want to keep this in mind, okay?
Inside nervous tissue, how many types of cell are found?
2.
Nerve cell and sensory cell. Then inside muscle tissue, skeletal, cardiac, stomach. Connective tissue,
bones,
bone,
tendons, ligaments, cartilage.
epithelial system or epithelial tissue.
What?
Epithelial system or epithelial tissue. Skin and covering of organ that are found in our skin is an example of a epithelial system or tissue.
Okay.
Swara, anything you can remember? MNCE. How can you make something like M for Mary or M for Mary Nazar, Chup, E for something, so that you can find an acronym MNCE or MNEC. Can you make anything? M for muscle cell, N for nervous tissue, E for epithelial, and C for connective.
I can't keep it in head like
How to remember Think.
Sir, those the first two are tissues and the last two are systems.
No, both are tissue. Both are tissue. All are tissue.
Then why does it say connective system and epithelial?
Epithelial system. Look. Your question is above it is nervous tissue, muscular tissue, but below why it is written system and system, connective system and epithelial system.
Hmm.
Okay, have to tell me what you mean by tissue?
Tissue is the it's when all the cells are combined together
When cells are combining. Why they are combining?
to make tissue.
Why?
Actually, connective system is because the connective tissue is part of major, they form many system, multiple system. Nervous tissue is only brain cells. Okay, so it's only the brain in our body, only one organ. That's why, or spinal cord, few of the spinal, even spinal cord is not like, it is a elongated nerve cells. And muscle tissue, so those are the tissues which is like skeletal, cardiac and smooth muscles. So skeletal muscles is the part of your जो भी bone के muscles
Bone,
होते हैं,
bone.
cardiac
Hmm.
muscles is the heart
But,
muscles, smooth
but.
muscles like your tendon and everything, not even like very smooth muscles just होते हैं. But connective tissue, they form a system like digestive system. Bone is a bone forms tendons, ligaments, cartilage. They form a system. That's why it's part of major part of the body. That's
Oh,
why we call system. Okay.
Okay. Send me any other PDF.
that is all we got for science and math. Everything I sent.
Math. Do you have any other PDF on math?
I sent you yesterday.
That's only one page now. This page now.
Anything else?
Check,
There
check
was
once.
nothing else. But okay. I have adding integers.
Send me.
So now, was it correct, the answer?
Oh yes.
Send me.
Can you see? Did you get it?
Yeah. I am not getting sent once. I'm getting. Okay, that's enough for class. We look from the class.